There you go, little poochie.
Hey, babe. Hey, babe.
Hi there, it's me. We're gonna do a little walkthrough. We're gonna do a little walkthrough today. Here's some essential things you might need. What we're gonna be making is a little pocket pick. I find it comes quite in handy on your day-to-days. It's not that bad. I like it. It's good to keep in your pocket. Nice for picking things. Fingernails, blocks, cans that won't open, poking holes and stuff. It's gonna be fun. Let's go through some stuff here. Got a set of caterpillars here. Got a really cheap carving tool from Harbar. This is a homemade pick that I made. Inspiration via Jimmy Diresta. This is a bigger one that I modeled. It's a little big. The concept's the same. We're gonna use an Olaf knife, a marking pen, a machinist squaw, a couple blukes of wood. I've already previously marked those off camera and cut them. Everybody knows how wood's cut. Once we've got our wood marked out here, skloopity, skloopity, skloopity.
Alright, folks, if I can get everybody just to sit back, I'll walk you through this one. I'm drilling some holes. You can see it's already up there on the left. I got them pretty straight, but I'm using my drill there to drill some holes down the center. I've got it taped up. I'm being very careful. I'm using all kinds of safety precautions there. Alright, so I'm just checking my depth, re-drilling, making sure it fits. I'm looking really good here. I think we'll go ahead and drill out just a little bit deeper. Okay, and then what are we going to do next? I don't know. Drill down some more. Drill, drill, drill. Alright, now I'm checking. I got some pretty straight lines, so I'm going to go ahead and glue them up. You see I'm scraping some glue off the counter. I used way too much the first go round. That's okay. A little dab will do you. Alright, just checking, making sure. I'm going to have to take a little corner off there. See? Just a little bit. Just take that off, a little ool-off knife or a little chisel or something. Alright, now I'm over here at the sandar, and I'm sanding up some sand, making a lot of sparks there. Alright, now I'm dipping it into the water to keep it nice and cool. That way I don't mess with the temper. It is an Allen key, comes hardened. I don't want to mess it up when I continue to poke stuff over and over. Alright, got some sandpaper up in the top. Just doing some final sanding there. Let's see what else we're doing. Sanding, sparks. It really looks like my fingers are pretty close there. Tell you what, if you've ever had your fingers hit on a sander before, that is no joke. No joke at all. All right. So, doing some more sharpening. Do the old dippity do. Do some more sharpening. All right, got a good point. Let's move on. All right, now I got everything glued up. I'm going to sand off that edge there where the Allen key sits through the wood. And, oh, that's a little hot. All right, doing some more sanding and finishing up. I like using that lacquer, that spray on. No, it's not lacquer, it's shellac. Spray on shellac, there it shows the nails that I put in there. I mean, it's just some little nails. I actually use the actual nail head as my drill bit. I learned that from Jay's Custom Creations. I got a lot of little stuff that I've learned off YouTube on here. You show me putting the paste wax down in the center there before I glue it up. Learned that from Alex Steele. And it looks like we're about to finish up. I'm recessing a magnet in there. I didn't really like the way that it sat. So I'll put the magnet in there just to kind of help those things clasp together. I didn't want my hole to be too big, and I didn't want it to be too small. So I kind of made it right at size, and then over time, that coming in and out is going to wear it, I know. So that's why I put the magnet in there. Checking my final fit. Man, that thing looks good. I'm happy. We're going to go ahead, and I think we're going to go ahead and put some finish on it. And once we get our finish on it, we'll be good to go. You ready? Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Looking good. I'll just show you what I'm using there, shellac. Looks good. I'm going to put it up on top of that chunk of metal, just so I don't have any weird dry lines. And I think that's going to do it. It's pretty simple. Everybody's got an Allen key laying around.
Hi, we're nearly done now. Let's go ahead and let's finish it up.
All right. We finished them up. I really like the way it turned out. You can see I put some nails in there just in case, you drop it or something. In ratio, I probably could have gone a little bit longer, but I've got some plans for some extra stuff here on the end. But not too shabby. So anyway, thanks for watching.